Hey 30-minute marketers, in today's quick video I'm going to do a quick review of Quantum Commission, show you what's inside, tell you the bonuses that I have for you towards the end of the video. So let's just jump right into the sales page. As you can see here on the sales page, you'll see attention overwhelmed marketers. If you're not making $100 a day, you need to do this. This forgotten guru strategy was lost to history, but now it's adding daily leads into my list. Stealth bombing my account with fresh sales every single day. Never seen before, no software, case study verified. Great headline, grabs your attention, perfect. All right, so we're moving on. It's going to be on our launch price, and I'm going to be offering a bonus. Like I said, I'm going to be offering that and telling you what that is towards the end of the video. Here is one of the important things you need to understand about this training. This training is from J.K. Dowdle. There is a 30-day money-back guarantee, so he's standing behind what he's offering you in this training. Now, this is training. It's not software. It's not some push-button mechanism. You will have to go through the training. You will have to understand what's going on beyond the sales page. Once you get inside the training, you will have to go through it. But he provides some proof here. Students crushing it every day. Of course, here he talks about how super affiliates in the past were making $2,500 a day until they stopped, about businesses being destroyed, why they forgot, why they stopped this strategy. It talks about here, it shows him when he was at Funnel Hacking Live in Nashville recently. He got this great idea. He had an aha moment, as he shows you here on the sales page. Again, great copy. He's showing you the results. And the key here is he is showing you the results, but he's also going to back that up with the case studies inside of the training. So this is a real traffic that he's getting, and it's a real method that he's tried, tested, and proved. And I'll also show you how I've used this method and a format of this method that he's talking about. He's just stripped this down and pulled it into just these pieces that you need to make it as streamlined as possible inside this training, so you can effectively create content, get traffic, and start driving traffic to that content and convert that content into leads and sales. Okay, so it goes down here. Are you ready for a huge leap forward? How does this stealth strategy work? And this is something that you really need to pay attention to, because to make any money online, you need these three key ingredients. You need something to sell, you need visitors who want to buy it, and you need a system that turns those people from visitors into customers. And this former guru strategy gives you all three ingredients, and he's going to do it in 2 simple steps. And you can see here that he goes through step 1. He's going to identify all the most targeted leads and buyers. Step 2, he's going to create a very simple 2-page funnel, and you're going to get all this information inside of the training. Okay, and of course, he introduces this, and it's Quantum Commissions, and here's what you'll never have to do once you get inside this training. You'll never have to create a full website, create your own products, of course, because it's affiliate marketing, build a store, it's not e-commerce, no launch jacking. You don't need a social media following for this, because this is paid traffic. Even though in the fact at the bottom of this sales page, he talks about you don't need paid traffic, but this is a paid traffic course. This is a paid traffic solution. So you'll see right here, he talks about some more students, what they've said, the need for speed, how you can get traffic and sales starting as quickly as today, depending upon how much money you're able to spend on the traffic. And then you can see right here, he keeps going. He talks about how it's going to be a discount, talks about the things that you're thinking about. And if you don't think the training is going to work, or if you try the training and go through it, you got 30 days either way to get back. Your tiny investment is secured by his ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. The fastest, easiest, and most ethical way that he's found to make $100 every single day. All the struggles that you don't need, everything you don't need to worry about, confusing. You don't have to buy software if you don't want to. And again, this will be for sale right here. There'll be a buy button. Of course, in the link in the description of the pinned first comment, there'll be a link over to my bonus page, and that's what I'm going to show you again towards the end of this video, is the bonuses that I'm going to be offering. But real quick, I want to show you inside the members area for Quantum Commissions once you pick this up, and you get the bonuses through the link here in the description in the pinned first comment. After you purchase and get access to Quantum Commissions, you'll jump into JK's high quality, very streamlined and efficient training area. I love the way he puts these together, and it's easy to follow. So he welcomes you to Quantum Commissions. He goes through product selection, choosing the right offer. Of course, this is all about affiliate marketing. So you're going to be going through and choosing an affiliate offer from the marketplace that he's going to be using. He's going to show you how to do customer research inside of Audience Insights. Of course, this is a Facebook tool. This is about Facebook paid traffic using Facebook ads. It does work. It is the quickest and most efficient way to get traffic there is right now today. He's going to take you through the pre-sales page setup. And one of the keys here, and that you'll learn and you'll see in the training, and I'll go ahead and fast forward a little bit and show you how he sets up the content, just to show you a sneak peek of what you're going to be doing and how my bonus is going to directly relate to this. Okay, so here is the sneak peek, and what it is, it's the first page of the 2-page simplistic funnel that he's setting up to drive paid traffic to convert those leads into buyers. And as you can see right here, it's a very simple 1-page advertorial or a blog style squeeze page, a lead page. And what you can do is he calls this the pre-sales page. What you can do is you can start a ClickFunnels trial unless you already have ClickFunnels, and then you can clone his exact page. Of course, now once you clone that page, he does give you a warning and a piece of advice not to use this page outside of the box, or you will get your Facebook ads account shut down for duplicate content. So the key is here, you're going to have to create content, and that content, even though it's a small amount of content, will have to be created by you, and you will need to create a page, 2 pages to be exact, but the first page here is this content page. And again, he's given you his cloned page for ClickFunnels. But if you don't use ClickFunnels, that's part of the bonus that I'm going to cover here in a second as soon as we complete the walkthrough of Quantum Commissions here. So just keep that in mind, that you're going to need content and you're going to need to build a page before you start driving traffic. And again, that is explained very well by JK here when he takes you through the whiteboard explainer. He shows you how to set up the pre-sale content, how to create a pre-sale call to action, even to do your legal pages. Then he takes you through the second page that you're going to need, which is the bridge page. Again, he walks you through the explainer. And the bonus I'm going to give you is going to show you exactly how to build the pre-sale page and the bridge page. I'm going to do the pre-sale page for you that you can quickly edit inside your own website. And JK takes you through all about how to do that, how to find the sales video, how to create a custom affiliate link. And he's also going to take you through the email opt-in setup. And then he's going to move into the key component of this training, which is the traffic. And this is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing or marketing. And having an offer is getting traffic to that offer. He's going to walk you through the Audience Insight tool. He's going to walk through the entire process on a whiteboard explainer. He's going to explain all about ad creatives. And he's going to explain exactly how to set up your Facebook ad. And again, JK has 2 very intense training programs. One is called Facebook Master's Program, which I've gone through, which is phenomenal. It's a deep dive in Facebook training. So what he's done is he's taken out the piece that you need to drive traffic to this specific offer, and he's given it to you here in this section number 7 inside of traffic. He also has a product called Funnelize, which is how to set up every type of funnel that you've ever seen and you ever could use in your business. And what he's done is take that massive training that gives you all the details about funnels, and he streamed that down, he stripped it down, and he's given you just the details you need to utilize this method inside of Quantum Commissions. Then of course there's going to be bonuses, free traffic tutorials, case studies, where he shows you exactly how he used this himself and how he was able to get results in a short amount of time and a relatively small amount of ad spend. Then of course there's a direct access bonus here. And you'll see here, that's the 10X Mastermind, and that is a Facebook group that you can see right here that JK is extremely active in, as well as I'm a member of. So if you have any questions, once you get inside there, you'll have access to JK as well as to me. So let's go back to the training real quick and talk about the step number 4, the pre-sale page setup, and the pre-sale content that you need to set up, and dig a little deeper into the strategy, because you will need to set up your own content to make this strategy work. And I wanted to show you something that I used to do when I first got started and was doing affiliate marketing. I was in the parenting niche and I niched down into the potty training niche. But what I did is I created content around parenting tips and hints, and specifically for potty training. And then I was able to run Facebook ads just like JK is doing here. So I have had success with this model. Just he's been able to streamline it because, as you can see right here, I created an entire site around what I was doing, around the offer. And then I was able to run Facebook ads that you can see here in my ads manager for this account. Of course, this account has been deactivated because I no longer use it. I no longer run ads inside of this niche. I'm no longer in this niche. But you can see I was able to get results here, and I did run Facebook ads and utilize this method. So again, you will need to create content. It's a small amount of content that you will need to create, just like JK mentions in his training right here, setting up the pre-sale content. So the first bonus that I'm going to offer you is some done-for-you content. And that done-for-you content comes inside of Automated List Profits. Of course, when you click on the link here, it takes you over to my bonus page. You'll see all the details here of what's going on inside of Automated List Profits, and you'll see that you get 2 monthly list building packs, and these list building packs cover tons of different niches, and you can see here audio marketing, green living strategies, referral marketing, arthritis, skincare tips, training for fitness, nutrition tips, health for seniors, instant spark as far as tips for dating, travel, as well as exercise like yoga, and there's tons of other lead magnet packs in here, and these lead magnet packs come with complete squeeze pages that you can copy, as well as email follow-ups, as well as reports that you can easily take and modify and use on the pre-sale page that JK mentions in his training. And to make my bonus even better, again, the link in the description to hop over the bonus page to pick all this up when you get Quantum Commissions is going to be a completely done-for-you pre-sale page that you can load on your own website using a free plugin, a free page builder called Elementor. So here I am on a test site that I have, and you can see all the pages here, and you can see Elementor pages that I have built. And what I'm going to do is provide you a Quantum Commissions pre-sale page already completely done for you inside of Elementor. So if you were to go ahead and edit that inside of Elementor, what you would see is when you bring up the Elementor plugin after you install it on your WordPress site, you'll have a complete blog that you see right here. You'll just have to add your image, which will be your logo that JK is going to cover. You'll have your header up here. You'll have about your blog. You just fill in the information here. It's very simple. You just double click it, redo the text, add a button here to get your offer, make that a pop-up. Put a headline here for your content, add an image, put in more of your content that you need, another get offer button here, another call to action button. You have an image here. Here's where you're going to enter your call to action to get people to join your email list so you can follow up with them if they don't buy directly from this page during the first time they land on the page. There's a nice little about author name down here, so you create a pin name. You can say some information about that. Another call to action to get them to click on the offer. Privacy policy, terms of use, affiliate disclosure, as well as a affiliate disclaimer at the bottom of this page. And again, this page is all completely done for you. And if you want to preview that, you can go inside Elementor, click preview, and that will show you what this page looks like when it goes live on your site. As you can see, this is going to follow the exact training that you're going to get inside of JK's Quantum Commissions training. So as you can see, you're going to get a done for you pre-sales content page inside of Elementor that's completely customizable once you get access to it. It's a simple template that you'll download inside the bonus area. Once you pick up Quantum Commissions, then you'll add Elementor to your WordPress site, upload this template, and be able to edit that right on the fly. Again, just like creating a page right inside of WordPress. You'll get access to Automated List Profits, which will give you all the content that you need, like special reports that you can turn into blog posts, email autoresponders that you can automatically use to just load right into your email autoresponder for follow-up. And you see the complete strategy here, the overview of the strategy, choosing the right offer, going through your audience insights, fully explained inside of Whiteboard Explainers. He goes through how to set up everything from your pre-sale content page, your bridge page, do your email opt-in, and then follow up with the traffic as well as case studies, and again, direct access to JK. And you'll see the sales page. After you click on the link in the description, head over to my bonus page, then there'll be a big red button there. Click that button, pick up Quantum Commissions, pick up the Done For You content inside Automated List Profits and the Done For You squeeze page that I'm providing you as a bonus. So go ahead, click on the link in the description in the pinned first comment to head over, check out that bonus page. If this video is helpful, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget, click here on the 30-minute timer, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, just like the videos here on the end screen. Again, don't forget, click on the link in the description, pin first comment, pick up Quantum Commissions today, get that done for you content and done for you squeeze page, and get started with Quantum Commissions. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.